Samsui-Sodexo started the program with the mission to improve the quality of life for the communities that we serve. So this program is curated to enhance the employability of people with different able skills to be employed in the F&B environment. The skills that we teach in this program allows life skills to be picked up by the learners to find work and be independent.
I do spin roll, ball at Samsui also. We use the vegetable, put on the skin, then we fold, we roll, then we put inside the tray there.
Our trainers come from a chef background. The chefs and the trainers actually train according to the learning needs of these learners. There's a lot of patience in the work at the same time.
I know how to fry the omelette now. Very nice to eat. Delicious.
Why do you want to become a chef?
Because I want to cook for my family and for the guests at the hotel.
This is our pilot project, and we are looking at possibilities of expanding the module to include coffee making under our espresso brand. At the end of the day, we want to ensure that the learners bring away skills that can enhance their quality of life, employability in the F&B environment, and also gain confidence in their future.